Hi, Robert Galarowitz, naturopath, nutritionist, and kidney disease sufferer, coming to you from healthykidneyinc.com. Today we're going to talk about, can stress cause chronic kidney disease? And when we talk about stress, we're talking about mental, emotional stress. Stress of work, stress of finances, stress of family, stress of your health situation, okay? Can stress cause chronic kidney disease? Now, yes and no. So, no, it won't cause it, meaning that you're getting stressed out, you're having lots of anxiety, it's going to cause damage to your kidney. Okay, that doesn't happen, or I haven't seen any research of that happening. So to that, I'm going to say no. But what chronic stress can do is raise your blood pressure, which will then lead to the high blood pressure damaging your kidneys. So in that case, chronic stress or bad stress over a period of time might cause kidney disease if your blood pressure gets out of control. Now, saying that with stress, chronic stress, emotional, mental stress is not good. It doesn't matter what your condition is. With kidneys, like I said, I'm not familiar with any of the research showing stress affects the kidney. What stress can do, like I mentioned, can raise your blood pressure, causing kidney damage. And like heart disease, we know that in some cases of heart disease, chronic stress, chronic negative emotions can lead to some heart disease. But we don't know that in kidney, unfortunately. But stress is bad, no matter what stress you have, no matter what your health condition you're dealing with. It's just not going to make it easier. It's not going to make it better, because if you're stressed, you may not be eating properly, maybe you're not taking all your med supplements properly, you're not clear thinking, you have brain fog because of all these issues. So what can we do to get rid of stress, mental, emotional stress? So one thing that they found with multiple studies that were done years ago, and I have another video on our website that talks about it, is meditation. Okay, some form of meditation helps lower the blood pressure in people with kidney disease. And that's from a stress viewpoint, meaning you're relaxing, you're relieving stress, your arteries, blood vessels are all relaxing, so your blood pressure comes down, helping your health and your kidney disease. Now, they looked at guided meditation, but there's a lot of different types of meditation that you can do. So, a lot of people say, oh, I can't meditate, I can't, sit there and clear my mind. That's okay, you don't have to do that form. You can look at a guided meditation where someone's walking you through the entire thing, so you're just listening to their voice. Maybe you do what's called a progressive relaxation, where, again, you can listen to an audio track. You may want to try it just doing it on your own with some soothing music, where you relax just the different parts of your body, starting from your head to your feet, or your feet from your head. You can go either way. So with something like a progressive relaxation, you can think about that part of your body just relaxing. So you can start from the top of your head, saying, internally, you say, my head is relaxed, and my shoulders are relaxed, my neck is relaxed, my arms. And by closing your eyes and doing this, it helps your body to relax. You can also just think about that part relaxing, or like I said, you can listen to an audio track. But we do have some meditation tracks on our website designed just for stress, okay, and just for helping your blood pressure come down with kidney disease. They're completely free. You don't even have to sign up to an email list or anything like that. Just click the link that's in the description below. Okay, it's going to be the first link, and it'll take you to that web page. But in answer to that question, if chronic kidney disease causes stress, typically not, unless that stress is raising your blood pressure, which will then cause kidney damage. So thanks for watching, everybody, and to your best kidney health. Bye.